My name's Paul Jason and I'm the motorcycle broker, and we're delighted to offer this Ducati 996R for sale. It's one of the final editions of the 996 Genesis. It had the Sandcast deep sump motor and the Testastretta heads. This gave them quite a bit more power and made them a lot more brutal to ride. It's the last of the Tamburini design as well, this and the 998R. It actually, although it's called the 996R, it has the 998R engine in. These are rarer than the 916 SP motorcycles and the 996 SPS motorcycles. Very, very rare motorcycle. Now, usually these are very corroded by now. They're over 20 years old. Ducati's paint wasn't the best, so we totally did a frame-off restoration. Everything was done. All of the paintwork was taken back to the bare substrata. We perfectly matched all of the colours before we did that. And if you look in the top left-hand corner here, where you can see the petrol tank, you'll see the sort of textured finish of the paint. That's the orange peel, what's known as the orange peel of the paint, the way it left the factory. So we've even mimicked that, which is very difficult to do with modern paints. This is all done in modern 2K paint, which is super hard and will last a lot longer than the original paint. These had carbon bodywork, and over the years the carbon goes quite hard and brittle and breaks up around where all the fixings are. Those have all been invisibly reinforced, and it was an awful lot of work, and it was a lot of work to do the bodywork on this because you have to make up masks to allow the carbon to show through when you paint the fairings red. The wheels all been blasted back to the bare substrata and repainted with perfectly matched colours. The motor's been painted, everything. This is as close as you can get to buying a new 996R from the factory. The motor's totally been sorted. It hasn't been ridden for the last year, so what we will do is give it a belt change and coolant change, oil change, filters, everything, and we will test ride it and set it up to be enjoyed. Have a look round the bike. We hope you enjoy it. It's a very beautiful machine. It's a very rare Ducati, this, and very collectible Ducati. We hope you enjoy this.
Oh boy, oh boy. Wake up in the morning with a vision in my head. Look downtown on the river, boys. Starbound for a good time ride. Put him undercover for your heartfelt pride. Oh boy. Speed out of coaches where the journey is concerned. He cranked the wheels and his reputation run. Take my love, I'm home again. So mama took control as they struggle through the rain. Oh, take my love, I'm home again. Oh, wake me up when oh boy come in. Don't look up till I get back. Spiders making houses in a rundown shack. You got the trouble and I got the crime. Sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, you got the trouble and I got the crime. Oh, sitting on your money is a waste of time. Oh, don't look up till I get back. Oh, spiders making houses in a rundown shack. Oh, take my love, oh boy again. Oh, wake me up when oh boy come in.
So that's the Ducati 996R for sale here at the Motorcycle Broker. If you need us to ship the motorcycle anywhere in the world, we can assist with all of that because we export classic motorcycles. We hope you've enjoyed this. If you are interested in this particular motorcycle, click the link below. It'll take you to the for sale page on the website, and at the bottom there's a contact form, or you can contact us in the usual way. We hope you've enjoyed this. My name's Paul Jason and I'm the Motorcycle Broker.